So, Filipinos, they're good at sports and like random sports like pool and apparently bowling.
We reacted to Efren Bata Reyes, apparently the greatest billiards player ever, who's Filipino, and then someone suggested we check out this man right here, Paeng Nepomoceno,
That was a great, confident pronunciation of
yeah,
his name right
with a
there.
very thick American accent on there.
Paeng Nepomoceno,
And
my
obviously we
boy.
reacted to the Pac-Man, of course, as well. But now
Yeah.
it's bowling. I don't know much about the professional scene of bowling. All I know is you can get 300 points. Peanuts.
When you would think of somebody who's like the best bowler in the world, the greatest bowler of all time, I would have expected like a low 40s guy with a beer belly that just like plays it with like a cigarette in his mouth, like Big Lebowski.
Yeah, like similar to like a cornhole player. But
Yeah.
even though bowling doesn't seem super popular here, I'm here in the Philippines right now. If you head to like SM, bowling isn't always packed. There's some people, yeah, but I didn't know there was a big bowling culture.
It's very interesting. I mean, there's bowling alley. There's probably a bowling alley in about every town in Minnesota, at least, probably in the U.S. At least decent sized towns, maybe not the towns with like 10 people. So it's really surprising. So let's see just how good this guy is. If you didn't know, we travel around the Philippines, and he's actually like living in the Philippines right now. I'm not there currently, but I also usually am. We got channels for that stuff.
So you can go check it out in the description. Trifate PH for our specific Philippines channel. Otherwise, Trifate Lifestyle for us exploring around Asia, and we have a lot of Philippines vlogs on that channel.
Heck yeah. Let's jump right into this. Let's see what Paeng has. Oh, fancy. Oh, it's a book.
Oh,
Six
time.
world bowling
Wow.
champion. He's a G
After
already.
clustering 5 straight strikes, Paeng Nepomoceno had all but
Oh
broken
my
Drew
gosh.
Highland's spirit.
Wait, go back to that pronunciation again.
Nepomoceno had all- After
Oh, yeah.
clustering 5
Paeng.
straight strikes, Paeng Nepomoceno had all...
Paeng.
Paeng Nepomoceno.
Wow.
That is only a Filipino could pronounce that name perfectly, and we are not Filipinos.
We'll be becoming Filipino soon.
I doubt he could pronounce that correctly. I'm calling you out.
5 straight strikes, Paeng Nepomoceno had all but broken Drew Highland's spirit. And
Dang,
if there was
Oh,
any
dude.
hope,
I could never. You have this, you have that guy's name, and then you have Drew Highland.
Dang Drew. What's Drew doing there?
It's the most American name. If it was Drew Smith, it would have been better, but Drew Highland, that's pretty American too.
John Smith.
John Smith. Yeah, you can't get much more basic than that. You know what I do when I go bowling? I throw it in the gutter.
and by now,
Lots of times, trying to throw it as hard as possible.
but the final
Yep,
margin
always.
of victory.
Ankle to his son Paeng.
6 in a row for Paeng.
Drew really up against it here.
That is the most patriotic shirt I've ever seen in my life.
He has quite the chops on him, too.
But he will want to go out with his pride.
Oh, he's not doing too hot compared to Paeng.
And there's
Dang.
a lot of that about.
I mean, wouldn't it be cool just to have that as a skill? Just like be like, hey guys, yeah, let's just do something. What do you guys want to do tonight? How about bowling? Okay. And then just
It's family bowling night, You got your grandma, your mom, and then, like, your little sister or something. They all go in there. Grammy scores like a 52. Your little sister scores a 32, which he uses a little, like, pusher thing. It, like, pushes down. Your mom gets a solid 87, and then you score a 300.
that would be pretty cool. You'd have the whole dang bowling alley watching you bowl a 300.
Oh, yeah.
I wish I could use bumpers. I like bumpers more than the normal one because at least you know you're gonna hit the pins.
And it's kind of cool
I don't-
when you like boing, 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 boing.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Worked, but too late.
Dang, Pepsi sponsors everything. Boom. Oh,
Have a game of 172.
Tyson Lee.
And for Paeng Nepomoceno, the start of yet another reign as the undisputed king of world.
king. Oh,
243.
of what?
And so for Paeng Nepomoceno, another ritual recognizing him as the champion of champions. Not just once, twice, or thrice, but now a truly remarkable 4 times.
Not twice or thrice, and now the book is closed.
Oh,
Wow.
wow. That was quite the video we got there. It's like Shrek.
Yeah, except it should have opened and been like, somebody once told me.
the world. Yeah, that would have been a banger. That would have been way better.
It's so interesting. I can't tell. This looks 80s to me. It looks
It
like
does.
something straight out of an 80s like TV program. So I don't know how long this was ago.
You're getting just a little bit out of the super colorfulness of outfits, but more into you still got a little bit of the style going.
Yeah, so I mean it's interesting. Maybe it's 90s too. I don't think it's past the year 2000. I don't think.
No, I don't think it could be. So what's the standings on bowling nowadays? Is he still considered the GOAT?
I'm curious. I don't know a single thing about bowling other than this guy, and I won't even be able to tell anybody because I can't pronounce his name.
When I type in GOAT bowler, the AI overview pops up, and then there's 3 of them, and he's one of them.
Okay, so he's a G. When was he active?
Let's see. His real, they call him Raphael also, apparently.
Raphael. It's a cool nickname.
He's 67 years old.
Wow. Okay, so this was a long time ago because he was like 30s in this. It was probably early 90s.
He got a medal in '84.
Oh, wow. So
A presidential
it
medal.
was-
I don't know what he did. Let's see. Competitive career. He started golf at age 10. Oh, so, okay. 4 champions. He got one in 76, 80, 92, and 96. He was 19 when he started in the 76 one.
So if this is a 6-1, this is 90s. Dang. I was not a born person yet.
I was dead.
If it was... We're both dead in the void.
And
What
just
happens
void.
before?
What do you guys
Everyone-
think happens before you're born? Do you remember? Let us know what you think in the comments below.
Do you remember? I remember.
That
Floating.
was terrifying.
Nothingness, and I'm like, what am I? Where am I? Who am I? And then the mountain opened and I emerged conscious.
I don't know if that I've ever heard someone refer to a female genitalia as a mountain.
It's like a cave opening.
Yeah. Okay. I could see it.
I am acting it out with my hands, by the way.
Oh, thank you. Are you acting yourself coming through it?
Mom! Yes, I just did. So that's how it went down. And my head was the shape of a cone.
Yeah, a cone boy, a cone head.
I was a cone head, but it went back to normal.
Did you have to get the headgear or just...
No, it just like when I was like originally born, it was just coned, and then like the next day or two, it went just normal head.
kind of just flattened out?
Yeah.
You were the mountain, actually.
Oh,
The
I was-
hound is coming.
Oh my gosh, not the hound. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let us know some other cool Filipino legends like this that we should check out in the comments below. I don't know how much footage this guy's gonna have if this was like 80s stuff. Do they even have 80s stuff on YouTube?
I swear I couldn't find anything on this because I think someone suggested it. I don't remember if it was a specific video, but this is the one we added, and it was a decent video, but you don't really get to see his highlights or anything.
Yeah, but let us know in the comments below. We'll react to anything. We're desperate.
Please. We'll react to
Us.
dang Jollibee moments if you want us to.
Yeah, I mean, if he's thick and he's looking cute, I'm always ready.
You
Thanks for
guys
watching.
can't see, but Tyler's Discord profile picture is actually Jollibee laying very seductively on the ground.
He's cute and adorable. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.